Is your PC running too slow? Are you frustrated with a PC that always hangs? Don't you worry, watch my video till the end. You're going to go away with a smile on your face, because in the video for today, I'm going to show you how to boost your PC speed within 30 seconds. Hello my friend, my name is Kenneth Brown. Welcome to channel CygnaTech, and how are we doing today? I hope fantastic. In order for you to speed up your computer system, one very important thing, apart from clearing up your cache and all those things, is that you need to check for internal errors and you need to fix it if there are any. Alright, so what you could do is just go ahead and type Windows and R on your PC and just type in mdsched.exe out here. So I'm going to leave this phrase in my description. You could just copy that and paste it out here and click on OK. Now, once you do that, you are going to get this pop-up out here, which is going to ask you if you want to check your computer for memory problems. Because a lot of times what happens is that we download and run unknown applications, which may just have unknown files or trojans or whatever, which could corrupt your memory somehow. Okay, so you could check your memory to see if there are any corruptions or if there are any problems, and you could actually fix that on your laptop itself. So if you have a Windows 10 laptop, this is a common problem and this is a common fix to your problem. So once you get this pop-up out here, you could just click on restart now and check for problems, or you could check this to check for problems the next time you start your computer. So once you click on this option, you are going to get a blue screen like this, and if there are any problems, your computer would show it on your screen and you could fix it immediately. So to do this, it would not take more than like 10 to 30 seconds, but sometimes what happens is that some PCs on a lower configuration could take like up to 3 to 4 minutes if there is a major problem. I hope this was of some value to you. If you did get some value, give my video a thumbs up, post a nice little comment, and do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.